Textor eSIM tutorial. To utilize eSIM, you must verify two essential factors. Firstly, ensure that your iOS device is carrier unlocked, and secondly, confirm its compatibility with eSIM. To determine whether your Android device can support eSIM, you have two free available methods for verification: Textor's eSIM compatibility checker and IMEI phone checker. Note that installation may vary on different Android devices. Step 1. Check if my device is carrier unlocked. A carrier-locked phone is not tied to one specific cellular network. If your Android device is unlocked, you can select several available networks. Depending on your phone model, some buttons may have different names. Go to Settings. Tap on Connections. Tap on Mobile Networks. Tap on Choose Network. If only one result comes back from the network search, or if the Search Networks option is unavailable in the Networks menu, then the phone is most likely locked to the carrier. If your phone shows several available networks, it is unlocked. To make sure, choose one network and try to make a call. Step 2. Check if my Android device is eSIM compatible. Before you check eSIM compatibility, you need to know where to find your phone's information. Go to Settings. Scroll to the bottom. Tap on About Phone. Mark down the following: product name, model name, IMEI number. Please refer back to this part when using the following Textor's free tools. Check if my Android device is eSIM compatible. After you know your phone's full product name, go to Textor website to check its compatibility. Method 1. eSIM compatible phone checker. If you are accessing from a computer, visit esim.textwrap.com. Click Resources on the navigation bar. Go to eSIM compatible phone checker. If you are accessing from a phone, tap on Settings on the bottom right. Tap on Help Center. Go to eSIM compatible checker. Method 2. IMEI phone checker. Your device is eSIM compatible if it contains an IMEI number. To ensure your device works with Textor eSIM, you can use our IMEI phone checker. If you are accessing from a computer, visit esim.textwrap.com. Click Resources on the navigation bar. Go to IMEI phone checker. If you are accessing from a phone, tap on Settings on the bottom right. Tap on Help Center. Go to IMEI phone checker. Check the information listed underneath. Double-check if the models listed in Not Compatible with eSIM match your phone's model name. You can also search for your Android device in the list of eSIM-capable devices in the Textor eSIM Help Center. The links of Textor's free IMEI phone checker and eSIM-compatible phone checker can be found in the description box below. Now that you know your phone can use an eSIM, you can now head over to Textor eSIM and purchase your first data plan. Links to the Android installation guide can be found in the description box below. If you still have any inquiries, please contact us at support@textwrap.com.